Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Lionel, Menards, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains has announced the new production of all new Legacy Series ET44 diesels in BNSF, Canadian National, CSX, Kansas City Southern, Norfolk Southern, and Union Pacific colors. Each model will be available with 2 road numbers for powered versions, plus a 3rd road number for unpowered models with super bass sound. Powered models have a suggested retail price of $799.99, and unpowered models with super bass sound carry a suggested retail price of $699.99 each. Follow the link in the video description for more details. Menards has announced a new O-scale water tower with blinking light. The tower stands 14 inches tall and operates using a 4.5-volt plug-in adapter, not included. The towers are available now online for $24.99 before rebates. We now have some details regarding the exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Alco PA diesel locomotive produced by MTH in nickel plate black and gold colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains and Stockyard Express. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers, each paired with a special run 4-car passenger set from Atlas in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. Passenger car renderings have not yet been released. The early order price for an A unit and 4-car passenger set is $949.95. MTH will also be producing the PA diesel in standard nickel plate blue and white colors as individual AA units for Mr. Muffin's Trains and as an AA pair for Stockyard Express. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. The early order price for individual units from Mr. Muffin's Trains is $485.95 each, or for an AA pair from Stockyard Express is $971.90. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge operating action car in unique crispy cream colors for the train loft.
Go nuts.
The car will be produced in extremely limited quantities and will be available for delivery beginning in September 2024. The pre-order price is $89.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale gondola car with LCL containers in RJ Corbin colors for Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The car will be available in 2 unique car numbers and will be produced in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $69.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Coke Hopper car in Norfolk and Western colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars will be available in single-car and 4-car set configurations, each sporting unique car numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. The early order price is $64.95 each, or $249.94 for a set of 4. MTH has also announced exclusive Norfolk and Western C30-7 diesels in regular black and white colors or in the unusual Tuscan and gold color scheme. Both versions have an early order price of $379.95 and are expected to arrive in September 2024. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Gauge gondola with crates in U.S. Army, U.S. Navy, Baltimore and Ohio, and Southern Pacific schemes this fall. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2024. The cars operate on O27 and larger curves and have a suggested retail price of $64.95. Visit your local MTH retailer to order. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a programming note: from May through July 2024, we will begin publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday, beginning with episode 187, to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and vacations. Episode 186 is scheduled to premiere this coming Saturday, April 27th at 2 p.m. as usual. What's New in O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.